how to add music to post with multiple photos on Instagram. So if you want to post multiple photos on your Instagram and you need to also add your music, then first open up your Instagram application and then you can tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen and then choose post. And once you choose post, now you need to select the photos that you would like to post. So for example, I'll be choosing one or two photos. So if you want to select multiple posts, then here on the middle of your screen on the right side you will have select multiple. Tap on select multiple so that you can select two or more photos to post. And once you've selected, you can simply tap on next, which is on the upper side. And once you tap on next, now from here you can edit your post, or you can adjust the size of that post by tapping on the left side of your screen so that you can add your post or readjust the size. And once you've done that, now if you want to add music to your post, here on the upper side you will have music option. Tap on the music and from here you will have all of the music that you can add to your post. So for example, I'll be choosing this music. And now your music has been added. And once you've added that, you need to tap on next again, which is on the upper right. And then you can tap on share, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you can share music. Or if you have not added music previously, then you can again tap on add music and you can add your music from here also. So that's how you add music to your post with multiple photos on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.